here, show that the coordinates of the midpoint M of a line segment with end points A x1 y1 B x2 y2 are x1 plus x2 upon 2 y1 plus y2 upon 2. It is midpoint formula. See here, A and B. AB is a line segment. It is in exact middle. Show that the coordinates of the point M of a line segment with end points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 are x1 plus x2 upon 2 y1 plus y2 upon 2. Now see, let M be the point of line segment joining the points. See, M be the point of line segment. See, M is a point of line segment. Between it is there. So, M be the point, let M be the point of the line segment joining A and B. A x1 y1, B x2 y2. Now see, this M divides AB in the ratio 1:1. We know now, just now we saw the theorem mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, m by 2 plus n by 1 upon m plus n. See here, this m is 1 and n is also 1. Now, in this formula, we are now applying m value 1 into x2 plus 1 into c. N value also 1 into x1 upon m plus n 1 plus 1 comma m value 1 y2 as this 1 into y2 plus 1 into y1 upon 1 plus 1. Easily we can say in the place of m and n you are substituting 1 into x2 plus 1 into x1 1 plus 1, that is x1 plus x2 upon 2. 1 into y2 plus 1 into y1 upon 1 plus 1. y2 plus y1 upon 1 plus 1. So midpoint formula x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. Now see theorem again, next theorem. The points of intersection of the medians of the triangle is called its centroid. First anyone will ask, what is centroid? The points of intersection of the medians of a triangle is called its centroid. The points of intersection of the medians of a triangle is called centroid. See here, suppose one triangle from here, okay. Now here we are finding now centroid formula. See, we are finding centroid formula. Proof. Let A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3 be the vertices of a triangle. See, A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3 be the vertices of a triangle ABC. Now see, Gx comma y, see Gx comma y be the centroid of triangle ABC. Now this G divides AB in the ratio 2:1. Means total partner here two parts are there, here one part. G divides, this is the ratio, G divides AD in the ratio 2:1. What is D actually? D is midpoint of BC. What is midpoint formula? Just now we learned x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. So here x2 plus x3 upon 2, comma y2 plus y3 upon 2. That is D. Now, so G divides AD in the ratio 2:1. So what is the formula? Division formula. mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. m/2 plus n/1 upon m plus n. Now here you observe what is m and what is n. See, m is 2, n is 1. Now see, and sir, what is x2? Which one you are doing? We are seeing AD only. Means it is x1, it is x2, it is y1, it is y2. So this is D point. Okay. Now, m is 2 into x2 means x2 plus x3 upon 2 plus m is what? 1 into what is x1? x1 only. So 2 will get cancelled. x2 plus x3 plus 1 into x1 upon m plus n is 2 plus 1. That is x1 plus x2 plus x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 comma. Now see my2 is 2 into y2 is what here? y2 plus y3. See it is y2. It is x2. So y2 is y2 plus y3 upon 2 plus n is 1. N is 1. Y1 is y1. Again 2 will get cancelled. Upon m plus n is 2 plus 1. That is y2 plus y3 plus 1 into y1. y1. Upon 2 plus 1 3. That is y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. So therefore coordinates of G are x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. It is the formula for centroid of a triangle.